Welcome to the SOLPORT installation guide video. The SOLPORT has an easy anti-theft installation. These are the components of the SOLPORT fixture: the mounting plate, security screw, light, mounting screws, and expansion screws. These are the sizes for the SOLPORT 15 watt and the SOLPORT 7 watt. Only the SOLPORT 15 watt comes with a remote control that has an on and off button and 3 different operating modes. First, install the mounting plate. Drill 4 holes onto a surface and insert expansion screws. Align mounting plate to the surface, then secure with mounting screws in this order. Next, install screws to the back of the light and then attach the light to the mounting plate. Once you secure the fixture to the mounting plate, use the security screw to lock every component together. The solar panel is adjustable. Adjust the solar panel angle to maximize sunlight intake and allow excess buildup to slide off. Adjust the hinge on the light to pull up the solar panel and aim the light at a target. You can access the panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Every SOLPORT has buttons under the solar panel to activate the light and operating modes. There's an on and off button and 3 different operating modes. Hold down a mode for 3 seconds to activate. The light will flash once to indicate that the mode has been set. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.